So I picked up an old 3-in-1 sheet metal tool a while ago, and I've been fixing it up. And one of the things that was wrong with it was that this bolt right here was broken off, like sheared off on the actual metal back here. So it was sheared flat with the metal. So today I'm going to show you how I got that out using a screw extractor set and some heat, fire, and some penetrating oil beforehand too to try and loosen it up. Alright, then I've also got a bolt that's snapped off, like right here. You can see it right there. There's access to it on the back side. Right there's access to it on the back side. So I've gone ahead and sprayed some penetrating oil in there. I'm gonna heat it up. Yeah, and then I'm gonna try and use a screw extractor set to try and take that out, which basically means I need to sort of tap the end of that thing, the center point, try and get exactly the center of that, tap that, and then start to drill it out a little bit with a tiny drill. And then that gives the little extractor thing something to grab onto. It can go in to the screw a little bit, and hopefully we can pull it out. We'll see. So my first thing here is to try and get this right in the center, man, right in the center. All right, so then I've got a little drill here. I'm gonna try and drill this thing out. I don't think I'm right in the center here. I think I'm a little off slightly. Hold on. All right, it's pretty centered now. Let's get a better look at this. All right, so you can see I've got it pretty centered right now. It's not perfect, but it should work. And then I'm gonna drill this out a little bit further, and then we'll heat this whole thing up, and then we'll get the little screw extractor out and see what we can do here. Now the extractor, which is, so yeah, this is the extractor right here. All right, and then I've got this thing from like a tap and die set. I'm gonna put this in here, hopefully we can get this out. Basically I go in here, and this thing screws in counterclockwise, so as I put it in and turn it, it should grip, and then hopefully pull this thing out. All right, wish me luck. Oh, it's moving. Now that it's loose, I'm just gonna get some pliers. Pliers on this thing. There we go. It's coming out. It's coming out. This is a victory. This is my victory for the day, man. Sweet. Now we can go to the store, get a new bolt, and this thing is so much better than it used to be. Nice. Look at that. Yeah. So hopefully this video has been helpful to somebody. This can be, this is certainly a stressful thing to have a broken off bolt like that, because it's not always easy to get them out, and that can be a real pain in the butt. especially if it's stuck off in something important, which usually they are. So good luck getting yours out, and keep on wrenching, everybody. Keep on wrenching and doing cool stuff. Talk to you later.